I have been making monthly goals, and my January monthly goal is to learn how to make my own cleaning products. So today I'm going to try to make some dishwasher tablets. I looked up a bunch of recipes and I'm just gonna combine what I like about all of them and we'll see how it goes. My first ingredient is washing soda. I'm gonna use 1 cup of washing soda. I'm also going to use 1 cup of baking soda, about half a cup of Epsom salts, and lemon extract. You could use whatever you want, orange, lime, whatever sounds good. I'm gonna use a little bit of lemon. You'll use lime too. Do 1 little drop of lime, a little lemon lime, a little bit of lime, lemon lime. And then we're going to add water until it's the consistency that we want. Well, let's mix this together first. That's a good consistency. That's about where I want it. Smells amazing. Okay, now what we're gonna do is get out our ice cube trays and our cookie scoop. I'm just gonna put 1 little cookie scoop in each little ice cube tray, and then let it dry overnight. I cannot wait to try them. I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be really fun. And I read that if you use these and add a little bit of vinegar to the rinse cycle, it's perfect. I'm actually gonna push them down a little bit so they're nice uniform shapes before I let them dry. I think they'll pop out better that way. All right, looks good. We'll check it on tomorrow morning. All right, it is the next morning and I have my 2 trays here and they feel like they're gonna come out pretty well. I'm going to store all these in an airtight container and I will try them out. If they don't work that well, I will change up the recipe and I will let you guys know how it goes.